Hello friend, in this video I will explain German sentence structure, especially how the verb changes position depending on the grammar, and we will look at modal verb, verbs, separable verb, sein with adjective, noun plus verb, combination the and perfect. As we talked and explained in the previous video some other structures like how can we make simple sentences, Fragen, question sentences, ja, nein Fragen sentences, imperative sentences. In this lesson, we will explain more structure of these sentences. So the first structure is modal verb. We have example here. Ich will heute einkaufen. So the rule is the conjugated modal verb comes in position zwei or second. So the position of modal verb is in the second position. Like here we have will, it's a conjugated regarding to the subject. So the main verb stays in the infinitive at the end. Like here we have einkaufen. So when we make a sentence and using modal verb, so the structure will be like this. The modal comes at the second position and the infinitive verb goes to the end of the sentence like here. The second structure is trennbare verben or separable verbs. So how can we use this structure? Here we have another example. Ich kaufe Obst und Gemüse ein. So the rule is the verb stems goes in position second. Like here we have kaufe and the separable prefix goes to the end of the sentence. Like we have ein here. Ich kaufe Obst und Gemüse ein. I'm buying fruits and vegetables today. So the prefix like ein, we have many and different prefixes. This always jump to the end of the sentence and will goes to the end of the sentence. So the third structure is sein plus adjective or adjective. We have example, das Wetter ist heute Nachmittag wunderbar. So the rule is with the verb sein plus to be. It comes in position 2 followed by the adjective. So this is a sein verb. As we mentioned, with the verb sein, be or to be, it comes in position second. This is the second position. And followed by the adjective. Heute Nachmittag wunderbar. This is adjective. The weather is wonderful. So simple structure, subject plus sein plus adjective. This is a subject and the sein and the adjective. The fourth structure is verb plus verb combination. So how can we use this structure? So some expression are made of a noun and a verb. So we have verb plus verb. When there is two verb in the sentence, that how can we use them? So one verb we use in the second position and the second will go to the end of the sentence. Like wir gehen heute Nachmittag schwimmen. So gehen and schwimmen both are verbs. So the next structure is noun verb combination. noun plus verb combinations. So for example, there are some expression that are made of noun and verb, so both are used the same time and together. So that how can we use them? The verb goes to position second, and the noun goes to the end of the sentence. So for example, we have heute Abend spiele ich mit meiner Freundin Tennis. So here spiele is a verb. So tennis is a noun. So the meaning is this evening I play tennis with my friend. Means girlfriend, Freundin. Here is a Freundin. So with this structure we can use first in the second position verb in the noun at the end of the sentence. So the last structure is perfect. How can we use perfect structure in sentences? Here we have example ich habe. So for example, we have the auxiliary verbs in a perfect tense or structure, haben or sein. So they both will come in the second position here. If that is sein or that is haben, we use in the second position. And the past participle always go to the end of the sentence. Ein gekauft. This is the participle. For example, ich habe schon Getränk eingekauft. I have already bought drinks. So is the structure of perfect tense. And we use subject, sein or haben in the second position, in the uh, past participle verbs at the end of the sentence. So the structure is very simple and easy. For example, subject, auxiliary verb, haben und sein plus past participle at the end of the sentence. So this was in a short, brief overview of the most important German sentences structures, modal verbs, Trennwahrer or separable verbs, sein with adjectives, verb plus verb, noun plus verb combination, and perfect. So here the conjugate verb state of position 2, the andere Teil am Ende. So it means the conjugate verb stay at the second position like here, and the other parts of the go to the end of the sentence like here. So here are the structure like sein plus adjective verb plus verb in the Nomen verb Kombinationen funktionieren fast wie trennbare Verben. Example, wunderbar sein, müde sein, schwimmen gehen, einkaufen gehen, Tennis spielen, Deutsch lernen und Wein trinken.